I have only been doing this for a week and a half and I've already seen results. Hey guys, welcome back to my health and wellness channel. I wanted to do a video today sharing with you guys what my goals are for this year, how I'm doing them, what my diet and fitness routine is for 2022. Also, I wanted to share with you in a bit more detail what I'm eating to lose weight. I'm really happy with what I'm doing and I just want to share it with you guys. So if you are interested in following along with my health and my weight loss journey, then keep watching. Okay, so my goal is to lose 30 pounds this year. I need to lose about 2 to 3 pounds a month, which for me is very, very doable. Why am I doing it this way? I decided that I want to do it slow and steady because the quicker the weight falls off, the quicker it'll come back on. So I figure if I just take it slow and steady, it's going to be less stressful to stay off longer, and I'll really be able to change my overall lifestyle to accommodate that weight loss goal and to stay there and to literally just be able to live life. I don't want to have to restrict myself extremely to where I'm miserable or I'm hungry for the sake of getting weight off quickly. I would rather take it slow. I think this is going to be the best for me. I want the weight to come off gradually but permanently. Like, this is the last year I want to be talking about losing 30 pounds, right? Like, this is it. And so that's why I'm doing it this way. So 2 to 3 pounds a month. The way that I'm doing that is eating in a caloric deficit and coupling that with exercise. Surprise, surprise. Just right now, I'm focusing on counting my calories. It's not something that I plan to do for the rest of my life, but I do know from experience that when I count calories, I'm a creature of habit. I eat the same kind of thing. So after so long of doing this habitually, it'll just be ingrained in my brain, able to look at it and know if it's too many calories or not. So right now, I'm just focusing on counting calories. It's a very simple method for me to account for how much I'm eating, and it's very straightforward. I'm not doing macros, but I am measuring things out. And of course, I'm also working out 4 times a week, but it's not so much to where I'm miserable or I'm always tired, or it's not something I can't maintain long term. I'm still doing my Peloton. The resistance of the bike along with the cardio I think is really good. My fiance is adding me to his gym membership, so I will start going back to the gym soon. More resistance training, which I think is going to help speed up my weight loss more. But for now, I'm doing 4 times a week. I have Peloton Plus, so there's also different workouts. Like, there are resistance workouts, so I have done some strength training, stretching, yoga, they have Pilates, everything. So I've been playing with that too, but it's really nice because I have it right here in my home. There's no excuse. Now let's break down like what I'm eating, because honestly, I feel like this is the biggest thing for me. Breakfast. I have my quick breakfast option, like a protein shake. Usually it's like after I've done a morning workout, I'll do a protein shake. It's quick, it's easy, really yummy. It literally tastes like a milkshake. I use Quest protein. Do 1 to 1.5 scoops depending on, you know, how many calories I want it to be that day. A half a banana, a cup of almond milk, ice, a tablespoon of almond butter, and then I'll add a little bit of liquid stevia. Honestly, sometimes I'll even do it like as a dessert because it's that good. Another quick breakfast I do is these egg bites. You can get them a variety of places. You guys have probably seen these. It reminds me a lot of like the Starbucks egg white bites. These are also really quick and I can pop them in the microwave. Chock full of protein and it fills me up, but it's still pretty low in calories. I will make a breakfast and I'll do fruit, I'll do grapefruit, an egg, a brown rice cake with avocado on top, and then I sprinkle everything but the bagel seasoning on it, bomb. And then I will do a plant-based breakfast sausage patty. No matter what the breakfast is, I try to make sure I have protein, fats, and carbs, and that I have a balanced amount of each, and that is what really helps keep me full, keeps me from overeating throughout the day, helps me to get my muscle gains and lose weight. Also too, in the mornings I will either do coffee, tea, and then I have a green juice that I do. That's breakfast. Now, lunch and dinner. So for lunch and dinner, I have my go-to, which is salmon and veggies For me, it's usually salmon and Brussels sprouts whenever I've needed to lose weight. I know that I can make that and it tastes good, it fills me up, it does the job, and it helps me lose weight. But really lately, what I've been doing is making my own stir fry. And I'll do chicken breasts or chicken thighs, stir fry veggies. There's a veggie mix that I get from Sprouts and they come like in different flavors. There's like a teriyaki and a ginger. I just don't use all the sauce. And then I will put it over cauliflower rice. Cauliflower rice is like my new jam. I don't even eat regular rice anymore, really. Like, I really love the cauliflower rice. You gotta season it. So like I do salt, pepper, onion powder, and I can't believe it's not butter. And of course mix it with the stir fry. That's been really, really good. That really fills me up. It's low calorie. It's low carb, it's super filling. If I don't do that, I try to always have like some form of protein, whether that's plant-based or it's like fish or seafood or chicken. And then I make sure I have a ton of veggies, no matter what that is. I've done asparagus, broccoli, green beans. I really like stir fries because you get a variety. I go to Sam's Club and I get like a big bag of stir fry veggies that I can just make throughout the week, or like meal prep at the beginning of the week and eat on it throughout the week. I have found that meal prepping has been really helpful for me. I did meal prep this week and it was such a time saver, so helpful for me. That's one thing I found really has helped me to, like, in my weight loss journey, is having healthy things available where I'm not having to cook all the time or eat out. In terms of snacks, I don't really snack now. I used to snack a lot, and that's kind of been one of my Achilles heels things, and I think that's what has caused me to gain weight over the years. And so with the plan I'm on now, I don't really snack. If I'm hungry or if I just have a craving for something, I'll get a bite of it, but for the most part I don't really snack. Dessert. For dessert, this is my go-to. I will cut up strawberries, sprinkle in some cashews, raisins, a little bit of stevia, and then almond or oat milk. It satisfies my cravings, because that's another issue that I tend to have, is that I have a sweet tooth. What's key for me is finding healthy alternatives to what I really like, and that way I don't feel deprived, but I'm healthy. So this is something that even if I wasn't trying to lose weight, it's something that I could still eat, a plan that I could still stay on. It's working and I love it. When it comes to dessert, that's my go-to dessert. I love watermelon because it's sweet, it's crunchy, and it is a natural diuretic, so it helps rid you of water weight. I still try to keep everything in balance. Even if it does fit in my calories, I'm still mindful of I'm not just eating junk, or I'm not eating too much of one thing. I love watermelon or really any fruit as a dessert, but lately it's been watermelon or grapefruit or my strawberries and cream. And then I like to have a cup of tea before bed. I'll do sleepy time tea with chamomile, and I'll put a little liquid stevia in it and a little bit of almond milk in there. It's so good. So I love it. It's just so like calming and comforting, and it really helps me wind down for bed at night. I also really got strict about my sleep. I am a night owl. If sleep wasn't required for us to actually function, I would not sleep. Like, I can go and go and go and go and go and go and never sleep. So that was one big adjustment that I had to make, because I knew if I want to lose weight, you know, if I want to perform at my best, you got to have sleep. So I designed my schedule now to where I can get 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night. I've started doing evening workouts. That's another thing that's changed. I really used to be into morning workouts, and that worked for me, but now I find I love evening workouts. They tire me out. I'll take a nice hot shower after, have my cup of tea, cozy in the bed, do my little skincare routine, and I'm ready to go. And I almost forgot, water. This is a big one. I am one of those people where I literally have to like trick and force myself into drinking water, because I'm so busy. I just forget. So I went on Amazon, good old Amazon, and got this big old, I think it's a gallon. I know you're supposed to drink half your body weight in ounces a day. So yeah, this definitely gets the job done. That I just got on Amazon. I'll link it below. I know y'all have seen these. They have tons of these out there now. I really like this one because it actually goes along with my day. I will link this below if you guys want to check it out. I know that if I stay on track of these, the weight is just going to fall off me. That is what I'm eating to lose weight in 2022. Kind of my regimen, my whole plan. I wanted to share this with you guys to have some accountability, and I would love to hear from anyone else who is also on a journey this year. It doesn't have to be weight loss. It could be weight gain. It could just be a wellness where you're just trying to be healthy. That I would love to hear from you guys. You know, what's working for you, what's not. I would love to share tips. This is what's working for me specifically. It may not work for everyone. You may not like the same things I like. I think it's great to have a community and a wealth of information where we can share ideas and recipes and whatever. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Also leave any video ideas. Like I said, I'm trying to get in the hang of doing more of like my health and fitness videos like I used to. So let me know what videos you want to see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.